Automating your processes just got easier with Levil technology. In the example that you see in this video, we converted a tedious manual process into an automated cell, reducing time and endless work. Now all the customer needs to do is load the parts and press start. Having your own custom machine cell and turnkey solution is just as easy. The process starts with an over-the-phone or in-person consultation with our engineers. Then you are presented with your proof of concept, and once approved, a dedicated production team begins working on bringing your custom process to life. Our cells can include CNC mills, lathes, robotics, vision systems, measuring systems, laser engraving, and many more, increasing your accuracy and production output while minimizing space and labor costs. For more information, contact us at info@levil.com today. Let us be the solution to your problems.